So I've got a series of questions on how you can use your Upwork Connect, and people say that theirs finished. All right, one thing you should know is that your Upwork Connects are they are kind of monetary value, or the value, something you use to get connected to people that would want you to offer them services. All right, so because Upwork is a very competitive platform, it's not going to be easy to always access these premium clients. All right, so Upwork actually installed this connect system. This connect system means that if your connect is finished, you're not going to apply to some jobs. Now some jobs can start from one connect before you can apply to 6 8 connects, depending on the job involved. So if you have once you register your Upwork account, Upwork gives you, I think, about 50 connects to start reaching out to new clients. So if you exhaust that 50 connects, it really means that you're not going to be able to reach out to new clients. Maybe after every month, Upwork is going to give you like 10 bonus connects, 10 connects as bonus, so that you can use to connect to new clients. You understand? So you have to be very careful with your connects. Apply to the right jobs, apply to people that you know are going to respond to you. All right, so that you shouldn't waste your connect. All right, because if a client doesn't, if you, after applying to a job and the client doesn't respond to you, that connect might be gone. All right, although I might show you a way to recover those connects after applying, but that won't always work for you. So the best thing is to apply to the right jobs, and apply to the right jobs and to the right person, so that they'll respond to you. Because once the person responds, Upwork gives you back 10 connects. So I think that's okay. That's why you must know how to apply to the jobs, not use your connects anyhow. But that doesn't mean that you should reduce how you apply to jobs. If the connects finish, you can go straight to buy new ones. It's very cheap. With $12 you can get up to 80 connects and stuff like that. So but now I'm just going to show you how to get 40 free connects. Some connects, if you have exhausted your 50 and maybe you don't have money in your Upwork balance to buy more connects. I'm going to show you how to get 40 more that you're going to use judiciously, maybe so that you can land your first job or something like that. Because if you land your first job, that's when you have something in your balance to start buying connects with. All right, so first of all, you log into your Upwork account. I've already logged into mine on my Chrome browser. As you can see, I have 203 available connects. It's been a long time I applied to a job, but for a lot of people, you might be seeing 0 connects here, 10 connects, 5 connects. It will not be enough for you to do a lot of stuff. You understand? So I'm going to show you how you are going to be able to get more connects. It's very simple. Once you have logged in on your profile, please, you can only use your desktop for this. You can't use your mobile app or the Chrome browser on your phone. You have to use a computer, a laptop, or a desktop for this. All right, so what you want to do when you have logged in is to go to this place, my jobs, find work. Go to find work. You can see where my touch icon is hovering. I'll go to Upwork readiness test. All right, this Upwork readiness test is actually a test where Upwork wants to be sure that you actually know, okay, you are familiar with the platform, and you can pass the test. That means you know how Upwork works. All right, it's a way to know how Upwork works, and after completing it, you are going to be eligible for the Rising Talent program. After the Rising Talent program, that's when you might become top rated. All right, so you might decide to do this test, or you might decide not to. As you can see, I did this test 2 times before, and I failed twice before I passed the third one. All right, so when I failed twice, I really didn't read a lot about Upwork policy and Upwork terms and conditions. So I advise you to go and read Upwork terms and conditions, so that you'll be familiar with them, so that you won't fail them. But it doesn't matter whether you fail them or not. Anytime you pass it, no, you can take as many trials as you like, but anytime you pass it, you are going to get that 40 connects. All right, so just make sure you pass it. I passed it on my third attempt. Now, but how I passed it on my third attempt is I actually did expo. You understand, Nigerians, we like looking for easy way out. So I actually looked for the easy way out. I simply went on Google and typed answers to Upwork readiness test. My network is a bit slow today, So I simply, this is what I typed. There was a blog that now gave me answers to some of the questions that Upwork posed in their readiness test. So you can see it. Let's check this one. You can just check it here. So it's basically that simple. All the answers are basically the same. I'm not sure they always change it, but we're gonna find out now. All right. So you can see the questions. Now the questions might not come in this particular order. Like, look at the questions and the answers. All right. They will now give you the answers. All right, let's see where they outline the answers for us. Okay, I don't really understand this blog. They're not really straightforward. Let's check another blog. Alright, but I hope you get the idea. You can just come straight to you can just type this in the search bar on your Google, and you're gonna find answers to the Upwork readiness test, the current answers to them. Alright, so it's not gonna take you so long, not gonna take you so long at all. I think this one is good. Alright, so you can see here the correct answer is painted in red font, while the wrong answer is painted in red font. So it's a good way for us to get started. Alright, now if you come to the Upwork readiness test, once you start the test, the questions might not come in the order that you see it in the place where you are taking your expo from, but that doesn't matter. You just have to come and look at it step by step to be sure that okay, you are actually picking the right stuff. So let's just, I've already passed the Upwork talent readiness test program, and I've already gotten my 40 connects. But for you guys that have not done it before, it's a cool way to get 40 connects and start applying to your jobs again. So what you want to do is to click start test. All right, I'm trying to be as fast as possible so that this video is not going to be unnecessarily long. All right, okay. Alright, so they're going to give you 10 minutes, and with a 2 minutes limit per question, and you're going to get 10 questions. Alright, so you're going to click start test, and you're going to start right immediately with the aid of your expo. You might answer the questions as quickly as possible. Now the question says, which of the following describes your responsiveness score? Alright, let me see if I can find the answer here. Okay. All right, you can see the question here. Question 3, which of the following describes your responsiveness score? Please check out that apply. You can see that the 2 of them are correct. You understand? Which of the following describes your responsiveness score? Please check all that apply. So I'm going to check these 2. According to the expo, the 2 of them are correct. All right, so that's question 1 gone. All right, my network is still being slow. All right, so you move on to the next one. How does Upwork payment protection for fixed jobs works using escrow? So you just go, let me see the answer here. All right, you can see the first one is correct, the second one is incorrect. So the first one says the client deposit pre-funds. So I think, yeah, this is it. So we now have question 2 out of the way. Now let's move to question 3. Now this is question 3. Upwork's top-rated program recognizes freelancers that have a proven history of success with multiple clients. Which of these requirements to achieve top-rated status? Okay, so we have a lot of options here. So let's go and look for expo. Okay, look at it. All right, so look at it. So the first four and the last five is correct. The fourth, the fifth one isn't correct. Okay, the first four and the sixth one is correct. So let's pick it. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one isn't correct. All right, let's verify. All right, so it's as simple as ABCD. You just go through there and question 4. When working on an hourly job, you invoice your client for the time worked on the project. Alright, so let's look for the question. Okay, this is it. So in this question, the first four are correct. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's verify. Now we've answered 4 questions. All right. Now the fifth question, working safely on Upwork should be a number one priority. Let's see if we have the question here. Okay, so the second one is the answer here. You can see the question, working safely on Upwork should be a number one priority. So the second one is the answer here. All right, let's go to the sixth question. So guys, this is really easy, really easy. Once you have access to the blog, you can check the name of this blog, mrmotive.com, pass Upwork readiness test, so that you actually be sure that you are in this same website that I am when you are taking your Upwork readiness test. All right, so question 6, which of the your job success score measures your client satisfaction with your work on Upwork reflecting. All right, let's look for, I think it's somewhere up here. I saw it before. Alright, so the answer is all of them, 1, 2, and 3. So let's go and mark it all. 1, 2, and 3. So you can see this question actually follows the particular pattern that are given on these blogs. So it's pretty easy. Question 7, Upwork terms of service help users stay safe and maintain. Alright, Upwork terms of service, Upwork terms of service. Okay. Alright, so in this one, the first 3 are correct. First 3 are correct, as you can see. So even the answers are following the same pattern. Now we have answered 7 questions. Let's go to the 8th one. Many jobs on Upwork are posted privately as invite only jobs. Let's check if it's here. Alright, so the answer here is all of them, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's go and click it. 1, 2, all of them are the answers. Now let's go to question number 9. Now question number 9, Upwork offers a number of choices for withdrawing your funds. So when you're going through these questions, be sure you pay attention and listen to them, so that you can also be able to have answers. The only answer here is number 3. So we've answered 9 questions, now 10 out of 10. Your proposal is often your first interaction with a potential client. Let's check. All right. So the answer here is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's go. Let's mark it 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's it. 10 questions out of 10 down. And let's see. Whoa, you can see our score is complete. Congratulations, you've completed the Upwork readiness test. Score is 5 out of 5. So we passed this test. You can see how this blog helped me. Now this is what you're going to do. The reason I now, after doing this and you haven't done it before, you're going to get a mail that Upwork has actually given you 40 free connects. All right, 40 free connects. So for me, I've already gotten my 40 free connects, so there'll be no 40 free connects for me. But if you're out there and you don't have any connects at all, this is a good way to get some. All right, so I think that should be it for this session. Thank you very much.